1 minute, 15 seconds to meal time.
Richard Franklin, Alex Stewart, Arturo, Shake and Bake, Pete Marquis,
1 minute to meal time.
Tom Galverde,
25 seconds to meal time.
All right, just a reminder, you are committed. When you exit, turn through. I've never piloted one of these boats, but it looks like they're pretty easy to drive, so that should be no problem for you guys.
30 seconds to meal time. Seconds to meal time.
$29, $28, $27, $26, $25, $24, $23, $22, $21, $20, $19, $18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Deadbolt right at the start line, middle of the course. Deadbolt front, side. Tommy's my leader. Monte goes in hot. Remember this deadbolt. 1, 2, 7 are good. All right, Tommy's my leader, followed by Monte. All right, wait a minute, something's wrong here, gentlemen. Deadbolt, out wide, deadbolt in 2, exiting 2, deadbolt on the front straightaway, lane 1. Exiting 2, it's going to be in 3, right there. All right, my leader right now is Tommy, followed by Tom, and then Art. Doesn't matter, clean yourself, fix yourself. Pull down all boats.
Final lap.
Remember that deadboat exiting. One right there, good job. Tom goes out wide. Last lap, Art.
Final lap. Sheep and bake done.
Finish, Tom.
Tom Galverde done.
Yep, Tom Galverde. Coming up for a finish right here. All right, finish. Gentlemen, then cut the course and bring it in.
Arturo done. The race is completed. Up next, race number 12. G Limited Mono. Heat 1 of 3. Race order is Brent Shupp, Sean Boundy, Kent Edler, Smiling Mark,